Hey YouTube, what's up? Today's video is going to be an old school guess what's under the body. For you guys out there that are from the old school RC community, especially if you ever had crawlers or were into crawlers, you probably recognize this right off the bat. But I'm not going to pull the chassis off, or the body off of the chassis anyway, and I'm going to let you just guess what's under there. And as I said, anybody that's pretty much in the crawler community, this is probably the father of crawlers, maybe where it all began. I'm sure that's debatable, but anyway, it's very old school. It's been around a very long time. Back in the day, it was probably the coolest RC you could have. One of them.